So first I will introduce myself. Hello, this is Dave Scout from Alibaba.com. I'm the Sales Operation Manager for the whole Pakistan. Today I'm very happy to be here to see the WebExcels, our channel partner in Pakistan. They opened the new office in the first floor. So as a top one channel partners, WebExcels, especially in these years, invest a lot in the salespersons and the sales. So as a channel partner, they will provide more service to provide the best service for the local sellers. So I hope we will have a good futures when he invests this lot. Then we will have better futures and cooperate with Alibaba.com. Thank you.